We commence the next broadcast with news that High Court Judge Kenneth Benjamin has sentenced Mitchel Joseph, who is also known as Beige, to hang for the April 27, 2008 murder of Police Constable Lester Garvin Remy. The lawman suffered 4 gunshot wounds while he and other colleagues were executing a warrant on a home in Cicero. The incident sent shockwaves throughout the Royal St. Lucia Police Force and the rest of the society, since it was the first time a police officer was killed here in the line of duty. Today's sentencing marked the culmination of several weeks of pre-sentencing hearings after the December 6, 2010 conviction of Joseph for Remy's murder. The island's Director of Public Prosecutions and the defense were at odds on the sentence, which was imposed earlier today. DBS's Don Nicholas begins our news coverage.
As far as the Director of Public Prosecutions is concerned, justice has been served. She believes that a strong message needs to be sent out to the criminal elements in society concerning the value of life.
This is the sentence the Crown expected. This is what we sought when we laid the indictment for capital murder. And we are satisfied that the facts lent itself to that kind of punishment, and the law was properly applied in that case.
We questioned the DPP as to whether she had any serious concerns about the statute of limitations, which stipulates that the death penalty not be imposed after 5 years. She thinks it's a bit premature to be thinking about that at this stage.
Well, I mean, the sentence was just handed down. I don't think we need to be worried about time at this point. The sentence was just handed down. So it is a bit premature for us to worry about time at this stage.
The Police Welfare Association, for its part, is happy with the verdict.
We are indeed pleased that the verdict was such.
What's the verdict?
The sentence to hang, death penalty. So we hope that the message is sent out and that justice is served.
However, the defense attorney says he will be appealing the case. He announced his intention to file his applications as early as tomorrow. He says that there are some legal issues that have not been addressed.
We know now what our parameters are, and we intend to complete the appeal process, which we have begun, complete it in good time, and hopefully by even tomorrow the appeal would be filed.
It's been nearly 3 years since the incident took place, but for the family of Lester Garvin Remy, especially his mother, the pain is as intense as it was back then. For the DBS News World, I am Don Nicholas reporting.